So Xiaomi's sub-brand Blackshark has shifted its focus from gaming phones to gaming tablets and accessories. And now, good news for the gamers, the brand is about to announce a new tablet, and thanks to our official product page, we got all of its key specs. So let's roll the intro. So the tablet will be simply named Blackshark Gaming Tablet. And look-wise, it's a portrait style 8.8 inches screen size tablet. So a compact gaming tablet. Talking about the screen, it's a 2.5K resolution panel, most likely LCD with a 600 nits peak brightness and a decent 144Hz refresh rate. Moving to the back, there is some line marking and a bit stylish camera island, giving it a gaming touch. So nothing too crazy or RGB lighting, but yeah, by look we can say it's a gaming tablet. Further, it is said to be an aluminium body, which will give it a premium finish. By the way, it has a thickness of 7.7mm and weighs 332 grams. Let me know your thoughts on a gaming tablet in a compact size. Moving on, there is a 5MP selfie and a 13MP rear camera. Now, as a gaming tablet, I'm sure you are curious about the performance. So, the tablet will use the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. It's not a top-tier flagship chip, but yes, we can say a high-end, powerful chip that is able to run high-end games. Anyway, with this chip, we guess the tablet will belong to the affordable category. Alongside, there is a good 12 gigs of DDR5X RAM with expandable 256 gigs of storage. Battery-wise, there will be a 7300 mAh battery, which is good thinking about its compact size. Now, in terms of some other key features, Xiaomi claims there is a good 176mm² thermal material area for heat dissipation, Wi-Fi 6 and DisplayPort output for up to 4K video. So as a whole, it sounds like a well-packed, affordable gaming tablet. Let me know what you think about it. By the way, if you are into compact phones and don't want to compromise on flagship specs, Oppo is about to launch its Find X9s. To check it out, click here, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.